Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today I will talk about Python screenshot comparison. I will include definition, goal, common uses. What is a screenshot comparison? Definition: screenshot comparison is a visual testing technique used to compare two images of a user interface. Goal: detect visual changes between baseline screenshot, current screenshot. Common uses: UI regression testing, detect layout issues, identify missing elements, validate style and rendering. Why screenshot comparison is important? Problems in the UI testing. Functional test may pass, but UI could still be broken. Examples: misalignment elements, wrong font size, incorrect colors, misaligned images, layout broken on different browsers. Visual testing helps detect this issue automatically. Typical workflow steps: capture baseline screenshot, capture new screenshot during test run, compare image, use Python libraries, generate different image, fail the test if difference exceeds threshold. Python library for screenshot comparison. Here is the library. Here is the purpose. Pillar based imaging comparison. I will use this method. Other library is listed here and the purpose is here. Let's look at the code. Under project, create project name visual regression. Under this folder, create a difference imaging folder. Create a screenshot folder. Under screenshot folder, create a baseline screenshot folder. Also create a new screenshot folder. Under visual regression test, create tests and create a test visual regression ADM Python test. Then install payload. Look at this test. So also import imaging and this too. Here is define imaging compare. Use baseline imaging, new imaging. If have a difference, these two imaging have a difference, create a difference imaging. Defined image 1 is a baseline image. Imaging 2 is a new image. If these two images have difference, create a difference image. Here is if define get box true, and here is some of code here. Finally is define saved different image. So in this structure we have the different folder. So this is a different image saved to different folder. And read the image 1 is baseline from this baseline folder. And the image 2 is new from the new folder. If have difference, create a difference image. If two images no difference, just give the information. Here is a compare test. compare home page test. Here is a home page baseline imaging, new imaging, and here is the baseline imaging. If I have difference, create this different image. So compare these two. Another is a compare golf course page. Also here is a define imaging and compare. We look at the application to test. This is the home page test. I have this one is like baseline image. Then I log in. This is a new image, so have the difference here. Another one is test golf course. Here is the imaging. After deploy, have the same imaging, so this should have no difference. Okay, I will run the test. For this one is before the run test, no imaging for the different imaging. So let me run the test. First, I go to run the test home page. So home page have difference, so should create a different imaging in this folder. Let me run it. So you see here is a imaging, different imaging. For the golf course, no difference, so should not create a different image in this folder. So you see here, run passes, we can see the message. These two files are same, no difference. Thank you for watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. See you next time.